on there? This is your boy Bucky. I'm about to come at you with something. I made my last video about 3 free mining softwares that I found. Unfortunately, when I made that video, I was only able to make it to 5 minutes. I'm not sure if it's because my editing software. So I'm going to try to do a different editing software, but I wanted to update you guys on 2 of them. This is that EOBot I was telling you about. And I've had these two probably almost around the same amount of time. I think I've actually had EOBot one day more than Robot Coin. So they're kind of the exact same thing, except they're both like kind of different platforms. This is EOBot, this is called Robot. But I've had this EOBot for at least 4 days, maybe 5, I'm not quite sure. But as you can see, I have about 0.00331545 gigahash. Now if I change it over to Dogecoin, you'll see how much I'm mining. Now I've had this for longer than I had a Robot Coin, and you can see how I'm mining here. It's gonna start up here. It's just going kind of slow, but as you can see, it's mining very slowly. Now I've had this other one, I think even less than this one. I think I've only had this one for like 4 or 5 days. I mean, I've had this EOBot for at least 24 hours more, because I didn't know about this one until like a day later. I seen a video about it. But check this out. I've had this one longer, but I don't have as much cloud mining, because when you do faucet on this one, you can have Dogecoin or you can have cloud mining. But if you do faucet on this one, Dogecoin, it won't give you as much Dogecoin, except for on Robot Coin. If you do your faucet, it'll give you like 1 or 2 Dogecoins. That way you could just go ahead and exchange it for cloud mining. But EOBot, they don't give you that much. They only give you a little bit, so I always have it on cloud mining whenever I do my faucet, because they only give me a little bit, so I might as well just get it on my cloud mining. And I normally keep it on my cloud mining, because if I keep it on my cloud mining, I'll mine my own gigahashes, so I'll build up my own gigahashes after a while. But we're not here to talk about EOBot, I just want to compare to it. But we're talking about this other program here, which is called Robot Coin, and it's far, far exceeding EOBot right now. Now look at my Dodge. Look at that. That thing is flying, man. Look at compared to this one. Let's go ahead and go back here. Compared to this guy. But the thing is that, like I said, when I do my faucet on Robot, they give me about 1 or sometimes 1.5 or 2 Dogecoins. So I'm able to get more cloud mining more faster. I have 0.03 cloud mining here. EOBot, I have 0.003. So I have much more mining power here than I do on EOBot. So I'm not sure if I had the exact same amount of mining on both of them, then we'd really have a good idea of how much you'd be able to mine on each one. But the big issue is that Robot, you can build your gigahashes much faster, because when you go to do your faucet, it'll give you much more in return. Your faucets will give you at least over a 1 Dogecoin. Over here, they might give you like a half a Dogecoin or even less. So my Robot Coin has really been rocketing now, and I've been having it on cloud mining, but I switched it over to Dogecoin just to see how fast it would mine it, and it's starting to mine it pretty fast. So I'm probably just going to leave it on here for 24 hours and see if I can come up with a full Dogecoin. If I can, then that means I'll be able to make a Dogecoin in 24 hours, and I'll be able to faucet for another Dogecoin or 2. That way I'll be able to buy more cloud mining in 24 hours with more Dogecoin. So I think after you get to around 0.03-ish, or 0.02-ish or whatever, I would suggest, or 0.01, I would suggest just start mining Dogecoin, and every 24 hours you're going to get to use your faucet, and when you use your faucet, they're going to give you Dogecoin. And like I said, when you use your faucet, they're going to give you at least 1 or 2 Dogecoins, or more. So, now that we're mining it, in 24 hours, I might almost have a full Dogecoin, or I might only have a half a Dogecoin. So when I mine, and they give me 1 or 2 Dogecoins, I'll give me 2.5 Dogecoin, or 1.5 Dogecoin. So I'll be able to buy more Giga Hashes with it. So I just want to update you guys on my progress here. They're both taking their time, but I'm liking Robot Coin right now because they're actually speeding up. It's all happening real fast, and it's only been, like I said, about four days, I think, at the most, since I started all this. And I started EOBot way before I started Robot Coin. I just want to update you guys on my performance here, and my links for both of these will be below. They're all free to join.